Okay guys, I just got this giant package in the mail and I took the stick out and I'm about to open it up. I'm gonna film the unboxing, like unwrapping thing. I just woke up, by the way, so don't judge the appearance here. So they sent me a lanyard, that's really nice. Can use that for my keys and stuff. Envelope, fancy looking envelope. It says Axiom control the outcome. Okay, so it tells a little bit about the Axiom stick. And then there is a letter. So excited. It's like Christmas or something. This is so cool. All right, let's unveil the head. Oh boy. My goodness. Here it is. Alright guys, so I'm going to be making a review about this, but this was just the unveiling of it. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that review. Thank you so much, Maverick Lacrosse, and you'll see more about this stick soon.